Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Chuck in 300 grams of unsalted butter. Add 1 cup of granulated sugar. Now I want to beat this until it's pale. Get a large mixing bowl, get something you can sift with, put in 2.5 cups of plain flour, 1/3 of a cup of, I'm using raw cacao. You can use cocoa powder, just raw cacao is much better and healthier, and 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate soda or baking soda. Now just sift this. Turn your mixer under low and just add this as it's mixing. If you don't have a mixer like this, just put it all in the bowl at once and mix it. Get a pan, grease it, use some butter or oil, whatever. Get your mixture. Now you can get a bigger pan if you want it to be thin. If you want it to be like this, use this size. Just squash it down. Now turn your oven on to 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pop this in there and it should take about 25 minutes or so. Just check it. If it's firm to touch, it's all good. Alrighty then. Now I've just taken that out of the oven. Now while it's still hot, it's probably best to cut it into slices, or at least just, go like this. Just so it'll be easier once it's set. Now we just want to let this cool for about 20-30 minutes. Then we'll take it out of the pan, dust it with some icing sugar, and eat until the cows come home. Once you've cut them into the pieces you want, let them just sift some icing sugar or icing mixture, confectionery sugar, over it.
Simple cooking, simple cooking.